Binomo is here to make your trading experience perfect from the very beginning. That's why it is quite easy to sign up on the Binomo app. Find Binomo on Google Play or App Store, then download and run it. Click the Sign Up button to start. Enter your email address without any extra spaces, extra characters, foreign letters, or typos. Copying and pasting it from your email app will work perfectly. You will receive important notifications and news at this email address. For example, useful materials and information about platform updates, promotions, and bonuses. You can use an email and online chat to communicate with support about important matters like verification on the platform and deposits or withdrawals. Follow 2 rules when creating your password. Your password must consist of Latin alphabet letters and numbers, and it has to be 6 through 50 characters long. Do not use this password on other sites to protect your Binomo account. Select the currency. If you do not see the currency section, your account currency after signing up will be the national currency of your country by default. If you want to choose a different currency, discontinue signing up on the mobile app and try again on the web version at binomo.com. Keep in mind that when you make a deposit using a payment system, it is converted from USD to the currency of your choice. When choosing USD, you eliminate one conversion, so you will get a little more in the account. Be careful. It's impossible to change the account currency after signing up. The only way is to block your current account and create a new one. Read the client agreement. You confirm that you accept it by clicking on the Sign Up button. If you are using Android, you can find this document on the previous screen, the screen with the Sign Up and Login options. It is a document that protects your rights and describes important details regarding working with the platform. You can find a lot of useful information in it. For example, the terms for withdrawals, which is clause 5.8. Finally, click the Sign Up button and wait for an email. Confirm your account and enjoy Binomo. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to learn more about trading and not miss any new material. We wish you productive trading.